All right, so we're checking out the Sequre ES666. This is an electric screwdriver kit, and comes in this nice case. If you want the screwdriver by itself, you can buy that in a separate package. It's just a screwdriver. I'll show you what comes in here. But this is the kit version. Comes with some extra stuff. I'll show you all what comes inside here now. Okay, so we got a USB-C cable for charging and for firmware updates. And we've got a QR code here for the manual. You got some 4mm bits here. I think there's 30 of them here. And then you got a magnetizer, demagnetizer, and you got the screwdriver. All right, so I pull the bits out of the case there. This is foam like padding. And then there's a piece of rubber silicone holding these. These are standard 4mm hex bits. And I'm not going to read off every single one. You can kind of take a look at them. If you want to click the link in the description, it will go to the product page and I'll show you what each of these are. But just a quick look at what all these are. You got some, torque screws here, some flatheads, Phillips head, hex drivers, etc. Here's a look at the magnetizer, demagnetizer. Okay, so here's the electric screwdriver by itself. And if you just, if you don't get the kit version, this is all you're going to get. You're not going to get any of the bits. So if you already have 4mm standard bits, then you obviously probably don't want to get the kit. And you probably have a USB-C cable somewhere that'll work just fine. So go ahead and take off this little screen protector. We have a nice OLED display on here. There is another model. It's called the ES655, which I was not sent. It's a lower end version with less torque, smaller battery, and fewer features at a lower cost, of course. So if you're interested in that, I'll link that down in the video description as well. If you're just kind of looking for an electric screwdriver, but maybe it doesn't cost as much, this one's got a nicer screen and more features and more power. So if you're looking for that, this is the model to get. So the bits go here on this side. Charges here, over here, USB-C. Got your power button, your OLED screen. This is the two buttons for the direction that the screwdriver is going to turn. Go ahead and long press and turn this on. And on the display here, shows you how much battery power we have, what mode you're in for the screwdriver, and there's going to be a little animation here on the graphic for what the screwdriver is doing. And then you have different torque levels there. If you short press the power button, that changes the level of torque. And this goes from A is automatic. You have 1 through 6. And the automatic, I believe, adjusts the torque based on how much, force you're using. We'll test that out. All right, so to get into the settings here to change the mode, which is currently in S, the sensor mode, you have to, I think, triple click. There we go. And then if you short press the button, it will go through the different things that you can change. There's the firmware version, we're in the OLED, action, etc. So we'll go into shutdown here. We can change that to, that's like how many minutes before the screwdriver shuts down on its own. You have fixed mode, auto mode. Okay, so we'll try the sensor mode at first. OLED screen. And you turn the light on and off. And then the settings screen goes away very quickly. And the action here, so you have max, mid, min. So I guess that's how much, force is being used. I'm not 100% sure. We'll have to test that out. Okay, we'll test out the screwdriver here in the sensor mode and torque level 1. And let's just see how this works here. So I think, all right, so you have to, in sensor mode, it detects which way you're turning the screwdriver. So if I'm turning it clockwise while I'm pressing the button down, it will tighten the screw. But if I am turning it, if I kind of give it a little bit of an anti-clockwise, it'll loosen the screw. So right now the screw is tight. Press the button, nothing happens. Go ahead and give it an anti-clockwise or counterclockwise turn. And it goes ahead and we'll go ahead and loosen the screw, tighten it, turn it the other way. So that's how the sensor mode works. Let's go ahead and switch this to the fixed mode. So go into the settings here and change the mode to fixed. And we have an F there now. So I believe in fixed mode, the down will be, I think it's clockwise movement, and then counterclockwise is the up button. This is probably the most intuitive, or what most people would expect. And then you could have, so basically to loosen, the up button, tighten, use the down button. And yeah, definitely, even on torque level 1, it's plenty of torque. So obviously it'll probably, be fine for a lot of these sort of smaller screws. I think that if you go to something bigger, you're probably, like woodworking, for example, turning big screws into wood, you're not going to be able to use this. This is for electronics, just for those of you that are wondering. Let's go ahead and change the mode again. Okay, so mode to auto. And then let's change the torque level to auto as well. See if I feel any changes in the torque level. So I think auto, let's see here. So if I have to press any buttons or not. Nope, so I have to press the button. So, oh, I see the speed. Interesting. Whoa, check that out. So in the automatic mode, kind of depends on how much angle you have on here and how much fast it'll go. And then also which direction it's going to go. It's a little bit unpredictable. I don't really like the auto mode. It's going faster with this angle here. And just as I adjust the, yeah, I don't like the auto mode at all. I don't think I'll be using it at all. Anyway, pretty cool product. I'll put a link down in the video description if you guys want to check it out. That'll do for this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.